Breathe, baby. That's it. Your mouth is all clenched. All clenched. That's it. Just breathe, baby. 95 and 112, that says I can't get the right light. Just breathe, honey. Just breathe. Oh, baby. Do you want me to roll you on your side? I'll roll you on your side. Hang on. I'm getting you. Hang on. So rigid. Bloody hell. Check this out. He's on his elbows. Come on, get off your elbow. Come on, baby. Come on. Breathe. Do you want your back? Okay. No. Oh, baby, come on. Come on. Now it's like the fetal position. I can't see what you see. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh, baby. 86% oxygen. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. Let's stay on the side. Take your breath. Come on. 96. Good. Heart rate 143. 95. Now it's on 110. Heart rate calm down. Right. I'm here, baby. I'm here. Do you want to lay on your back? Suck that air in, babe. That's it. Oh, yeah. On your side, on this side, on this side in case you want it. Come on. Do you want to take the mask off? Take it off. It's just all the air you're sucking in, babe. It's all the air you're sucking.